Good morning, friends. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today we're going to make a cooking project, and we're going to make no-bake chocolate chip peanut butter Cheerio bars. So what you're going to need is a bowl that's microwave safe, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 3 cups of Cheerios. You're also going to need a baking dish of some sort, so I'm using a square glass pan. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your chocolate chips. That was 2 cups of chocolate chips, and you're going to put them in your microwave bowl. Then you're going to take your 3/4 cup of peanut butter and put it in with the chocolate chips. Do you guys like peanut butter? Do you like peanut butter? I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter with Ritz crackers too. Have you tried it that way? It's very yummy. So we're going to get our peanut butter and we're going to mix it with our chocolate chips. But it doesn't mix very well. You know why? Because we need to melt it in the microwave. So I'm going to take my bowl over to my microwave and start melting my chocolate chips. So I put it in the microwave for a minute. As you can see, the peanut butter is melting and some of the chocolate is melting. I'm going to stir it up just like this and see what we have working here. We have our chocolate chips and our peanut butter, and it's melted, and you're going to keep mixing it and mixing it. See what it looks like? It looks like cake batter, huh? Yeah. Yum. I like melted chocolate. Do you like melted chocolate? I like to have melted chocolate on ice cream. It's fun to have melted chocolate on ice cream. So after my minute in the microwave and my melted chocolate and my melted peanut butter, I'm going to put my 3 cups of Cheerios into my bowl and mix it together. So I'm going to mix all my Cheerios with my melted chocolate so that all my Cheerios have the chocolate and peanut butter mixed on it together. And it smells really yummy. So you keep mixing till all the Cheerios are coated with your chocolate and your peanut butter. And you get it all mixed together. And when you have it all mixed together, it looks like this. Your chocolate and your peanut butter and your Cheerios. Then you get your bowl, your pan, or in my case, my square dish. And then you're going to pour the chocolate chip, peanut butter, and Cheerios into your dish. Whatever dish you have. There we go. You pour it into the dish, and then you pat it down, and you get it all in the corners so it can make your squares. Just like that. So we have it all patted down into my squares. But now it's too hot to eat. So we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for a little while. So, friends, while you're waiting, go read a book or listen to a story, and we'll be back. Hey friends, after my bars were in the refrigerator for 2 hours, they came out like this. I took out a square of my Cheerios peanut butter chocolate, and this is what mine looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. Really yummy. Let me know, friends, how yours taste and whether you liked your chocolate peanut butter Cheerio bars. Good job, friends. See you later.